Boys and girls, today we will locate facts and make inferences and draw conclusions about expository tests, non-fiction tests. And every one of you later on will show your reactions to a non-fiction test by using the reader prints. And what is that of the reader prints? It happens that when we are reading a test, we need to read and we need to have a conversation with the author. And one of the icons that we can use is, for instance, this one. A question mark means, let's say it with me, I wonder why. You are going to wonder about what is happening on the test. If we are surprised by something that the author is saying, we're going to use an exclamation mark and we're going to say, wow, I didn't know that. It's amazing. So we are going to react to that. If you get surprised because you have no idea about something that the author is saying, you are going to use a plus. And it is going to say, this is something new that I learned. And finally, this I, you are going to use an I to show that that is your opinion. And that will mean, I think, I agree, disagree, your opinion about what the author is saying. So let's practice this with the next reading. This is the White House. How many of you have ever heard about the White House? Okay. What can somebody tell me? What do you know about the White House? Something that you know about the White House.
132 rooms.
Oh, it has many rooms. Something else that you have heard about the White House? Yes?
That there's a pool.
Oh, you have heard that? Okay, let's see what this author is going to teach us about the White House. It says, the White House. The president lives and works in the White House in Washington, D.C. The White House is a very big place. It has 132 rooms. And this is one of my reactions. I use the exclamation mark to say with me, wow, that's too many rooms for a house. I barely have 2 rooms in my house. And look at this house, 132 rooms. So that was my reaction to this line. But Miss Gomez also had another reaction to the same one. I can have 2 reactions to one statement. Here I have a question. And you know what? I would like for you now to try to write down a question that you might have based on this reaction. So everybody on your whiteboards, write down a question that you might have based on this information the author is telling you. So I see that all of you have a reaction to this sentence. For instance, can I share yours, John?
Yes.
Okay, John said, class, I did not know that the White House had 132 rooms. Me neither, John. That is new information. Good job. Okay, what was your reaction? Question mark.
Why does the house have a lot of rooms?
Yeah, I wonder why as well. Why do they need that many rooms? Okay, Valeria, can you read your reaction?
I wonder why do the White House have too many rooms?
Okay, yes. Do you have another question too?
I wonder why the White House has 132 rooms.
Okay, okay. You see, all of you can have reactions when you are reading. So let's continue with the next one. It said in here, the White House is a very busy working place. Many people work in offices there. Many people come to talk with the president. The president may have hundreds of visitors in one day. So this is what I want you to do. Now I have a reaction here where Miss Gomez has an opinion. This is the I for my opinion, I think. So I want you to turn and talk, and you're going to have a reaction, but you're not going to write it out. You're going to share it with the partner next to you. What is your reaction regarding this sentence? The president may have hundreds of visitors in one day. Remember that you could say, you could have a question, you could have like, wow, this is amazing, or you can have no information or your opinion. Okay, turn and talk.
I didn't know that would visit me. I didn't want to be like, I didn't know that the White House I wonder what
Chica, chica.
Boom, boom.
Chica, chica.
Boom, boom.
Can you share your reaction, Valeria?
My opinion is that I don't like that people could visit me in one day.
Well, that many people. Oh, that's true. Says at least 100 visitors. Many people. Yeah, that's right. I wouldn't like to have that many people in my house as well. Okay, let's continue with this one. It says, the White House is also home to the president's family. The family live on the top floor. Also, they live in there. Many would say the president's family is lucky. The White House has a swimming pool so the family can swim at home. The White House also has a library, bowling lanes, and a movie theater. Even the president's doctor has one office in the White House. That's very interesting. And Ms. Gomez has a reaction in here, something that I didn't know and something that I say, wow. I want you to turn and talk and have a reaction regarding this test. Go ahead.
Wow, I didn't know that there was a lot of, I didn't know I want to have a White House. Oh, I want to have a White House. I didn't know that the White House has a library.
Chica, chica? Chica, chica? I would like to hear your reaction, Emiliano. What is your reaction?
Wow, I didn't know they have a movie theater for foreigner can watch in the regular movie theater.
Oh, wow. Would you like to be at the White House? I would like to be at the White House too and have a movie theater in my house. That would be amazing. Yes, what is your reaction, my friend?
I wish I was the president.
What is it?
I wish I was the president.
Oh, you wish you were the president. So that is your opinion. That would be your opinion. So this is what Ms. Gomez showed. So plus, I have no idea the White House had such amenities. Okay. Now, boys and girls, since you already know how to use the reader's prints, you are gonna do it in your own paper. You have a paper that over there that says summary of the chart. Okay. Take a moment to write down some reactions and then you turn and talk and share that with your partner. Everybody, so you already have a chance to look at the paper and have your reactions. Now, this is the time for you to share it with your partner and compare and see if he has the same reactions about the same test. Okay? Turn and talk.
My turn. I put sharks don't like it, but whoa, I didn't know that sharks don't like that. Sharks want to bite sharks.
Okay, there are some reactions that I would like to share. Some of you had the following reactions. For instance, Sebastian, he said over here, wow, I didn't know that gray white sharks could eat a seal. And over here, why do sharks hunt in the morning? So he has a question. Good reactions. Okay, here we got another reaction from Alondra. Alondra reacted to this sentence that says, scientists say that this is a good question. Why do sharks attack? And look at her. She has an opinion in here. She said, I agree that this is a good question. That's a good reaction, Alondra. That is definitely a good question that we could research. Now, she also has a reaction regarding this part that it says why sharks attack. And she has a question. It says, well, I wonder why is there a lot of people in the ocean? So in here the test is saying that one of the reasons why they attack is because people are going to the places where they are at. So she wonders, I wonder why there is a lot of people in the ocean. And here, Alfredo had a reaction regarding this sentence. Sharks attack humans. The sharks that attack humans are probably confused. So his reaction is, wow, sharks get confused as well. Okay? So boys and girls, today we learned a strategy that we can use all the time. good readers react to the test and they wonder about, they get excited with the new information that the author is saying. They also say their own opinion. So that is something that we have to do every day. As long as we have a test, we can do that. Okay? So what do good readers do?
Research.
Okay, yes, they do research, but what else? What did we do today that we could apply?
Infer.
Infer. What else? Reactions. React to the test and interact with the author. Okay? Good job, boys and girls.